Hi, Cathal. Well, it's quite windy currently, especially along the northwestern coast, with strong to near gale force and gusty southwest winds. The winds will ease from the south overnight, becoming light or variable, with some mist and fog patches forming. Mainly dry with good clear spells and just a few passing showers in the northwest, and lowest temperatures tonight of 3 to 6 degrees. Most places will stay dry tomorrow with good sunny spells. However, it will be cloudier in the southeast with rain and drizzle skirting the coast through the afternoon. And there'll be a few isolated showers in the northwest too. Highest temperatures tomorrow of 5 to 9 degrees in light breezes. Dry on Monday night with good clear spells. Cloud will move in across the northwest, bringing some patchy rain and drizzle towards dawn. And overnight lows of 1 to 4 degrees, but possibly dipping to 0 locally with a touch of frost in places. And southwest winds will strengthen in the northwest, but will stay light elsewhere, allowing some mist and fog patches to form. Cloudy for much of Connacht and Ulster on Tuesday, with patchy rain and drizzle at times through the day, and moderate to fresh southwest winds. It'll hold dry in Munster and Leinster, with some sunny spells and light to moderate winds, and highest temperatures on Tuesday of 8 to 11 degrees. And now for your sea area forecast. Meteorological situation at 2100 hours. A depression of 988 hectopascal centred west of Scotland tracks northwards, generating a strong southerly airflow over the country, which will veer westerly and ease through Monday. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Loop Head to Bloody Foreland to Belfast Lough. West force 5 or 6, occasionally force 7 in northern sea areas. Soon decreasing southwest force 4 or 5, later increasing force 6 or 7, but remaining force 5 or 6 in the North Channel. The weather will be cloudy to fair with scattered showers, and the visibility will be mostly good. Forecast for Irish coastal waters from Belfast Lough to Carnsore Point to Loop Head and for the Irish Sea. West to northwest, force 3 or 4 imminent. Soon veering north to northeast, force 3 or 4, backing west, force 3 or 4 by the end of the period. The weather will be cloudy in the southeast with outbreaks of rain, and cloudy to fair elsewhere. And the visibility will be moderate to poor in any precipitation. And the outlook for a further 24 hours. Fresh to strong southwesterly winds in western, northern and northeastern sea areas, with gales developing in the northwest on Monday night and Tuesday. Moderate to fresh southwesterly winds elsewhere. And the weather will be rain and drizzle in the northwest at times and cloudy to fair elsewhere. And finally, your coastal reports. Malin Head, west 31 knots with a gust of 54 knots. Moderate drizzle 2 miles, 1005, rising very rapidly. Boy M5, west 14 knots. The visibility at Tusker Lighthouse is 8 miles, 1015, rising. Roaches Point, west to southwest 8 knots. Fair 6 miles, 1015, rising rapidly. Valentia, south 2 knots. Fair 11 miles, 1014, rising. Belmullet, west 15 knots with a gust of 27 knots. Fair 8 miles, 1010, rising very rapidly. And finally, Dublin Airport, west to southwest 14 knots with a gust of 30 knots. Cloudy 10 miles, 1011, rising rapidly. That's your forecast. Good night.
And good night to you too, Elizabeth Coleman in Met Éireann. The news at midnight is next.